Good afternoon, I'm Michael, and I'll be teaching you how to buy and sell on Binance. So after you sign up and verify your Binance, click on home page. After you log in, click on home page. Then from home page, you click on P2P. You can see. Then when you click on P2P, you see those that want to sell and those that want to buy. If you want to buy, this section is for you. Then if you want to sell, click on sell. So I'm buying. I want to buy $21, which is equivalent to 16,000. So I'll click on filter. Either I click on filter or I search. Look for those that want to sell those amounts. Or I click on filter, as you can see. Then click on filter. They type 16,000, and then click on farm. So it will show me those that want to sell within that range, as you can see. So this guy, the number one, wants to sell within that range. So as you can see, the limit is 10,000 to 150,000 now. So I'll just click on buy. I'll click on buy crypto. Then I'll type the amount 21. So it will show me, can I see the amount 15,720. So I'll click on buy. Then it will take me to where I would make payments. So as you can see, click on make payment. You see the details of the person. The person is using Pay. So I'll copy the account details. Then I'll go to my bank, either GT or anyone you want to use to transfer. Then I'll make the payment. After making the payment and it's successful, then you come back here and click on notify the seller. So that's it. And after the person has verified and notified the Binance will release your USDT for you. So now I don't want to buy. I'll just cancel the payment. I don't want to trade anymore. Then I'll cancel it. So now I'll teach you how to buy from Binance. So if you want to buy, just the same process. Let me teach you the second method of buying from Binance. So click on P2P at the top. P2P, as you can see, click on it. Then click on Express. And just follow the same process, and it takes to where you make payments. So if you want to sell, just click on sell here. Click on sell here. Then you type the amount you want to sell. But before you sell, you have to bind your, what's it called? Bind your account details. So you click on profile here. Then it will take you to where you see payment method. Click on payment method here. Then click on add payment method. Then you click on bank transfer. So click on bank transfer. Then you input your name, your account number, bank name, account opening branch, etc. Then click on confirm. When you are done, you click on confirm. Then it will be set like this, like my own. So as you can see, then you are done. And now go ahead to sell your USDT. So I'll make sure the name you put here is the same as the name on your on your bank account. And also, if you want to buy, the name of the bank you are using to transfer must be the same on Binance. No third party is not allowed, or else your money is gone. Your USDT will not be released. So I'm telling you, no third party name. So that's it. Thank you.